Hey guys, Eduardo Lara here from Team Impact. During all year, we are having just online class, but today, Sunday, we are here in the park with Coach Adam, and we're gonna have a great yoga class.
Aside from holding this beautiful open-air workout after the pandemic and getting together with our Impact team in collaboration with Coach Adam, we're also raising funds and accepting donations for our Rise Up Nabwa Typhoon Relief Fund that we've created to help the victims of Typhoon Rolly and Ulysses in Kamsur.